Quick and nourishing. Why high-protein plant-based meals?
Plant-based meals can be just as filling and protein-rich as meat-based options. In busy weeks, quick recipes are key to maintaining a healthy diet. Choosing high-protein plant-powered dinners helps support muscle growth, energy, and satisfaction, without long prep times. Let's dive into 5 simple, wholesome meals you can enjoy any night, even with a packed schedule.
Chickpea and spinach stir-fry.
For a fast, protein-packed dinner, sauté canned chickpeas with garlic, onions, and fresh or frozen spinach. Add cherry tomatoes and your favorite spices, like cumin or paprika, for extra flavor. Serve over cooked quinoa for even more protein. This dish comes together in about 15 minutes and is rich in fiber, iron, and plant-based protein, making it perfect for weeknight energy.
Tofu and vegetable curry.
What is a powerhouse when it comes to plant protein? Cut firm tofu into cubes and brown them in a pan. Simmer with mixed vegetables. Think bell peppers, carrots, and peas in coconut milk and curry paste. Serve over brown rice or whole grain noodles for a satisfying, nutritious, and flavorful dinner that's ready in under 30 minutes.
Lentil and sweet potato shepherd's pie.
Combine cooked lentils with diced carrots, celery, and onions. Spoon this hearty mix into a baking dish and top with mashed sweet potatoes. Bake until golden. Lentils offer plenty of protein and fiber, while sweet potatoes provide vitamins and natural sweetness. This meal is great for prepping ahead and reheats easily for leftover-friendly weeknights.
Black bean and corn quesadillas.
Spread a mix of black beans, corn, chopped peppers, and shredded plant-based cheese onto whole wheat tortillas. Fold and toast until crisp. Beans are loaded with protein and iron, making these quesadillas filling and nutritious. Serve with salsa or avocado for extra flavor. Great for a quick cook and customizable to what you have in the fridge.
Quinoa edamame power bowls.
Cook quinoa and combine with shelled edamame, shredded carrots, cucumber, and leafy greens. Drizzle with a light soy ginger dressing for an easy bowl that's packed with plant-based protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. These bowls can be prepped in advance and make a fresh, energizing finish to a busy day.